Do you want to delete all Instagram chats in a click? You can remove all chat messages from Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete Instagram chats all at once. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Deleting all Instagram chats in a click is the action of removing multiple conversations from your direct messages inbox simultaneously. Removing all chat messages at once helps you to manage your conversations if you have more chats that you no longer need. To delete Instagram chats all at once. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the message icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. You can swipe the screen to the left to access your direct messages inbox. You'll now see a list of all your Instagram chats and messages. To remove all chat messages in a click, look for the three dots or similar icon at the top of the screen. Now, tap on it. Once click, a pop-up menu appears. From the pop-up menu, tap on the Select Chats option. Now, tap on the All Chats list you want to delete. Each selected chat will be highlighted with a check mark. Once you've selected the chats you want to delete, tap on the Delete button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete to permanently delete the selected chats from Instagram. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove multiple Instagram chat messages at once. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.